What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. If you have RayBan Meta Gen 1s or Gen 2s, I have both, these are the Gen 2s, and you want to get replacement lenses because maybe you want a different color, or you want transition lenses, or you want a prescription lens, and you don't want to go through RayBan because it's extremely expensive. Let's be honest, it can be hundreds and hundreds of dollars, especially if you have bad eye insurance or no eye insurance. This is a great replacement. The company's called VRWave, and they can sell you replacement lenses, and they're also the sponsor of today's video. Now, the lenses come in this really nice case that you can hang to your keychain or just hold it, put it in your pocket, whatever you want. And they're extremely easy installation. So let's get to that part. So the first thing you want to do is pop your current lenses out of your Gen 1 or Gen 2 Ray-Bans. We're just gonna push these out right there at kind of like where the nose is. And they come right out. Next, grab your VRWave lenses, match them up to the glasses, and you're just gonna push these right in. And before I put the next one in, I do want to show you that these are really high quality lenses. Then you probably just want to grab a cloth to wash them off if you have all fingerprints on them. Now these are great because these are transition lenses. So when I'm outside and the UV rays are hitting my lenses, they'll turn into a sunglass. When I go inside, they're going to be clear glasses, and these are prescription. So you can get just plain clear ones. You can get sunglasses. You can get sunglasses with a prescription. You can get just plain transition with a prescription like these are. So you can get prescription lenses, non-prescription lenses, protection for your eyes, and all of it in between. Take you walking with me for a moment here. These are really cool because I love that I can have transition lenses so that I can see outdoors with my prescription while also getting protection, 100% protection from UV rays and things like that. So it's really, really nice. Here's a sunglass lens with UV protection. You've also got polarized lenses that you can get through them as well. And again, these are kind of just like a traditional kind of sunglass with polarization on here, so I can be protected from the sun's rays while also having a nice shade over my eyes so the sun doesn't just bother me and make me squint really. So just a little clarity, I actually do use VRWave for all my prescription lenses in all of my RayBan Metas. So obviously, like I said, they're a sponsor of this video, but I literally use them in all 3 pairs of my glasses. And I've been using them since I've had my RayBan Meta lenses. So they're linked down below. They're inexpensive, high quality, easy to install, and they ship them right to your door. Also, don't forget some of the features that are built into the glasses if you want. You can get polarization, you can get a prescription, you can get plain clear, you can get transition lenses, you can get plain sunglasses. They have everything, and they have something for everyone. Everything is linked down below. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.